you are worth celebrating.
Oh.
Or there yeba na yeba manya empire so. If you call umu.
Oh.
Na yeba show in your nyam.
Oh, nyame show.
And with my I've been so busy like the past 6 days. But once I got the call from Nana, I said no. As for Felicia, I have to wake up early. Yeah, because I should have been sleeping by now.
Because I know bread and my point cannot 12 kobo.
I'm catching.
Oh, why are
Yes,
dear
but you are worth celebrating. You are a good person. You're a good person. Yamin Shroud. Yamin Shroud. Na Yamin on to uncommon so.
Amen.
And it pays it. It's all for you.
Yamin Shroud pa say we a program tap conference we also join on the last day.
Yeah.
And I say me be bompa ni bia na ho de pa ma mountain but ma mountain na chi me to me bobi.
Oh, and rank abinu say Felicia Bompa.
Oh, me bompa ye.
Hey, easy.
Me empire for pa.
Wow, I was so impressed.
Me tonyo me bantama ka me tonyo. Me singer.
Oh, is here okay. And to the next time, me no be call a friend saying singing the muna with me. I shanyami nyam. Wow. I was very, very blessed with your presence yesterday. And say the church, I'm trying to build a youth church.
Yes. Oh, it was so nice.
Yes. Everybody is talking about it. That oh yeah, dear pastor with me, Felicia by.
Oh,
who's your point? Am I busy? By seeing to try pictures now. Oh wow.
And my name, that's wrong, coupon.
And there you would, and there you would, and to know young can would.
I prophet. I me back crap. Menya 1 year. Me back. Me that general manya 1 year. Number ready manya 1 year into no come 3 years, but in yet 3 years. 1 into 1 year.
In back 1 year.
Aye.
Inclusion of
Adwuma na de me back cry.
Oh wow.
Me tina cry da.
Wow. Hey, you
are
very blessed.
Na me back up, but some bet na cry abebo bra be di akra doko na cry wa che de 1 year ni.
Wow.
1 year ni. It hasn't been easy, but
wow. You are a very humble person. And the mamen come akumum nsam kakra nkyere. You are a very humble person. And rana me leaders. If you are better 3 and I make catch on. So you're a very, very humble person. And I've been in the media space for some time, and I've seen how people behave when nyame adom nyame peja o mukakra ekosu ekodu pempen so bia me hu mes ma nyimpa si woye na mes ma wo si woyen nkofo nanto obi wo ha obodu bebie bodu ya onfa nyame mpo nya hwe onfa nyame ni nyimpa nya hwe nyame bu kwan ma obi a osisi nyame nyi ho atase na mes ma esi ebro ho ase obi at neda amenka se mbi nkyerɛw mutum kasa neda eba sorry mamenka I think it's a testimony worth talking about when the papa penyin papa bishop Prince Ohene Asare baby obi anyame nhyira neda on na host you know and offer no bisa within the baby efi on the one time one share TV and social media ibi but how you humbled yourself you know, to receive the man's blessings. I think that it's a blessing. It's a blessing. I think you are very blessed with the spirit of humility, and don't take it for granted. Aye, na ayen yemu bebre kwana ebu ama hen no is because of this same spirit anyameza ama hen. I think that ubi obe ben will be the person should realize that same spirit. You are a very humble person. Now, if you hold that spirit of humility, it will take you far. No, masika to me ye bia ne ho. Ahombrase to me ye. Ahombrase to boy kwanama. Ahombrase to mau e campaign for do enyem. What anything money can do, relationship can do. I'm telling you, and even more.
Hey, this is deep. Anything money can do.
I'm telling you, relationships can do, and even more, and even better.
Hey.
A year to former, on yes, can be paid. As some to in there, sa summon unyan nimpa on yeska, by nimpa na wababa. And I'm telling you that, and I'm telling people who are watching us this morning, If your value for life is just about material cash, you have a big problem in life. What anything money can do, I'm telling you, relationships can do that and do it better.
Do it better.
And that is one of the key things that I've seen in your life, that you know how to value people. You know how to reciprocate respect. And I catch my manager. The first time I encountered you, hey, Biana, in professional relationship. On a professional relationship. But with time, I realized that, we send a message, say, you apologize for that. These things I'm talking about, it is not normal for somebody to sit at Onua FM, host a morning, or midday, show and behave like that. It's not normal. It's not normal. There are people who are not even at your level. Kakrana, page send one message. So I pray for you today that you will keep that spirit. You will keep your humility. Say, you man fusu would say, ma, one quarter, one ball. You are going far. I'm prophesying to you. You are going far. Where you are going, you have not even begun. God has not started with you yet. Now, using their household name. And the able was in the way and watch out here. Using their household name. Now, Masana catch show there. Shawana Motumuye. Mameka Netasa. Shawana Motumuye. Na Shanya Kofusuye. Today, my back cry as 1 year. Demand on your back. I'm a back cry. I'm the 13 years.
Hey.
Master school, no, I'm a bay.
And I won't you.
My bag of course. I'm telling a Michelle producer. Yeah, I know your producer since 2010.
Wow.
Uncle Jordan.
What you when watch it? But when you say that long.
No. 2010, 2011, thereabout. And I'm a hustler. Yeah, it's church movies. Yeah, a hustler. No more corner. I'm there. It's a production meeting. Baby them. 2011. But what I was telling you about relationship, Sankameyana Bona, you think you allow me sit here? Sankami treating a bad man, man at the time. Like today, I won't be here. If I try to get entrance here, it won't be easy. But those Sunday, and nobody knew anybody's future at the time. But we respected each other, and we kept the relationship. Maintaining Kabima for over a decade. But in the Yamina Dom, Yaba back, my Yami Ashan and Yam. Into what Nipa no, Yen watch Nasam. Yen ma ubi bear your watching. Into be a beshi and piano, yen for woman. What's a dano, Nimpa Beshawe bufu. But yen for Nizim Manimpa. Now on China Nimpa, na brabo assassin. In the Butume who will be. The care about the first now were for a TikToker. Na Zena short videos, and I used to read some of the comments. And I watch a lot of things. Sometimes my manager asks me, "What time do you get to do this?" Because I'm extremely busy, yet I know what's going on. That's what I say. But the two interviews being a can baby and baby a woman may see a show. The man in the able to be do ya. Ahom Brassy, Felicia, Ahom Brassy. Na nyatima manyimpa na gya wo ba mbo hye nyame nsin nyame bepeja.
Amen. Prophet, I mean, shout pa bra wa bre. But me take some time out of your busy schedule. But me about Gracie, your 1 year anniversary. I really appreciate it. This means a lot to me. 1 year hasn't been easy. Say you've watched videos, you've seen a lot, And that never come of fun anime wish. And the man come of. If you see who, so I shouldn't speak English on the show. Hey, I'm a tear for my cover of fun. If you watch a couple from Quanameka. Thank you so much. I mean, pa and no doctor on Kwa dinner, the actually. They be a frewa oba, they be a frewa oba. And now, Basuka, you make the show lively. And I'll bow Makwa. O sign a be shrine.
But man can't some crew be
Hey, me tea.
Oh, yes, so.
Hey.
Oya chezi bi so oya very very important achezo. So unye nyika impa pewasa. Ai inti I'm day me preacher. Ebi ehun da me preach da ba me preacher. Beba na youth will go wasre. But I'm telling you, they would not forget the things I've told them.
It's true.
As yes. Unye nyika obia peda de bi otenwonka. Obia peda otweba no. Because people have got problems. The obi wo sola na pa na ne dadwen. Inti the matches na yamida mo no so no. Kuram na somnobo. Fancy making it as somnobo na kuram because so when you can one kasa kro bo one kasa e ma nipa serew na bi kan one kasa so atase. It may be and most of us who watch you is also because of your funny side and how you go about your life. Into honestly, you're very powerful.
Yamisha. That's of when you are by the number boy, I may try your cake in and 1 year anniversary. No, you track
my bomb payamo, is it oil by my bomb?
Oh, Yamisha.
My bomb payamo. Yeah, by this time, it will be, Urban will be a pack of cars here.
Hey, amen. Amen.
Urban will be a pack of cars here.
Amen.
Nah, Yaminadom, he is my FFM. Who promotions na powerful.
Amen.
Yes, so feed your man. You travel man. You can't tell a good so sad. You tower bravo. So this is Adwuma. This is Adwuma. If you hear God, don't wait for Badai. This is Adwuma. Black Rasta. I got you tree. That's why mommy. Some of them so baby say I'm coming sugar. And so baby say and I come and send to your dad. I say your dad. I see a day. Feel me when we know. And never does This is Adwuma.
Jesus, washe ni monya. Me wasem bia meka. Ne mo de metumi aka ne se. Ewrade ahye mani monya. Ewrade mama ya body afoforo. Enke na nya possible. Banyame afa mu nyina mo so. Ama we ya be reality. Yami shira obi bia. Kama kame ho amama ye show yi. The medical crack and say Radin share Radin. Radin ye Radin kesi. It hasn't been easy. And ne juma die na 1 year anniversary. Yami shira obi ano nyo bia kesi. Asidani ayeye. Come metie for them adofo nyina Professor Daniel Semi Shao. Ono manager Yami Shamu pa. I'm China see so any team. God bless you so much. I'm the Asidaka say so. I'm more for papaya. On those what team is for 1 year for papaya. Nana kwame.
Me passe yeda prophecy prophet Daniel. As he rightly said, no, we've been friends for some years, and then okay, and think I share on the home bonia and can lay into something share and something year jumabi. And anytime I be friend will show it to be oba with some joy, knowing very well that he has come to bless the children of God. You know, better not say, and they you know what my surprise visit to help us celebrate our 1 year. And so you better not say pan. By empire about a matim empire about mouth. Now, you say it for see, I was from a China aircono. You made a war, you made you must know the same cacra. Now, you can say you're the best share fridge. Now, you're starting back from 1st November. Until from a China aircono, show no better cry. You better than any cacra. To most anima, new ones, if you were shown more because a 1 year until we need to also lift ourselves to another level. And you know, yeah, they take for us as a power, BBA with you show you from day one. The BBA last year by this time, na hanumi who gidi na Felicia say they atarena shana abetra konso China no popa no popo ojene hwanje na Felicia say no ojene hwanje na me kai say the Saturday before the Monday na me na call radio school B, and Manakotina Council, Chimana, why intro, outro, for close to 5 hours, not at all. And I'm mentioning how to put these things and do it well. And by the grace of God, working with you has been fun. Today I wrote it on my status that working with you has been amazing because I've produced a lot of people, but I realized that you'll be able to TSM when they say do it, you just do it. I do it, you won't do it. And I think that this is one of the things that Abua and Adwuma again to obi bia so a obon ada pa obi bia so a no mpe asem obi bia so a okitisize it obi bia ase omu na aka on eso obi bia obi ho no ma na ayi ye nden kro mpe wasem otie show no wie no ochia no kansa mfoncha ni na obi bia ase 1 year ya in there 1 year no muna all of you played a role in it to me 1 year nti obi bia ase the callers obi bia Ghanaians we say God bless you so much. This is coming from a Juma team. No? From next year, which is starting from tomorrow, no? There's something good ahead of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm not much. The best share be my mentor Auntie Vika Kwetima. Sister Franco say to no so Maryland or no my chama of Ohio or no Maryland or any area Auntie Shelley. If I'm Felicia say. Fine girls in your class prefect, mini DJY, my producer and Kwame Jan, GH boy, and I don't reach any Jumedi Braille. And me at much, and best say Shabby. They sent in a tear for another 4. Moonina Momaba.
He was light, and a life was light of man. If you hear Bodo, don't wait for Badai. If you hear Bodo, don't wait for Badai.